Hi, I'm Leon with Barn Furniture, and this is a beautiful sunny day. It's going to be about 90 degrees. It's May 2022, and like so many other trucks, we get one in about every 2 weeks. This is a very full load. There are about 400 chairs. There's altogether about 650 pieces, one of the most full loads that we have. This is, I've been waiting for this. This is, wait 1 second. This is a mid-century console. Solid black walnut. It's a beautiful piece. You know, sometimes we can't even get it onto our website before it's already sold. But this is for stock, and it'll be on the floor. Solid walnut, no veneer, no particle board. Here's some custom finished beds. That's made out of cherry in our very deep mahogany color. It's a little darker than we usually do them in. We've got a big stack of tabletops there for a restaurant that we're working on. And this is a full 52-foot semi. This holds a lot of stuff. Freight rates have gone up almost double in the last 8 months, which is really adding to the cost to bring the stuff in. But we will not compromise quality. That's the most important thing to us. You know, a lot of places, what they'll do is they'll cut corners somewhere else to pay the freight charges, especially on imports. But this is all U.S. made. But on imports, you're 60% freight and duty, 40% is the cost for the contents. They can't put any good value to the furniture because it's going to make it too expensive. Top quality stuff. Oh, these are some custom pieces. A lot of our custom pieces are coming in. It's got 2 drawers. I don't recognize it. I think it's part of a desk. 2 file drawers, part of a big executive desk. Let's see what else comes off. This might be kind of a long video, but... And then we fold the blankets, and they go right back to Ohio. Those are chair seats, custom chair seats to all our chairs. Custom fitted with a non-skid seat. A couple hundred fabrics to choose from. We have a wonderful crew. Everybody works very hard to get it done. Carefully. We have very few damages in transit, especially because the trucks are so full. And our that's a haul tree. That's a haul tree with with like a shelf on top. And usually takes us about 2 or 3 hours to fully unload the truck. We're probably not going to video the whole thing. I used to do this with every truck, and now there's been so many trucks. And the main thing that we're concerned about is quality. All solid, no veneer, no particle board, no press board. And we do what's called bench made. That means each piece is individually built by usually 2 or 3 people, and it's start to finish. And it's built on a bench. It's not conveyorized assembly, conveyorized finishing. Some things, the delays in manufacture have been so long lately, I forget what these things are going to look like. And let me open this one up and take a look. Oh, he's opening it up. Let's see. It's kind of a big reveal even for me. Oh, that's an entertainment TV stand, I think. Yes. That's made out of oak. It's got some adjustable shelves. I think this might be for the floor. I think this is a new piece for the floor. This is a file cabinet. No, that's a desk. A nice keyboard drop. You can put an extended keyboard in there. This is you can use this for your tower. It's got a little drawer in there. Great little piece. Then over there's a TV stand. Oh yeah, this is a 2-file drawer from a big executive desk that we're building. I'm remembering this piece now.
There's only one sticker. So the top's in there, there's a back panel there. This is part of it. It's 128 inches.
Let's see what else we've got. Now there's tables. There's about 50 tables on this truck. We had just about run out of all of our tables. Then we got into 50 or 60 2 weeks ago. There's another 50 or 60 today. Maybe a third of them are pre-sold. 2/3 of them are for the floor. We're trying to build up inventory for the holidays, which is not very easy. Yeah.
No,
Don't yell out.
Quit in the middle of the video.
Okay. There's a, yeah, I think there's quite a few TV stands. Our TV stand selection was kind of running low. And this is a, yeah, this is one of our standard tables, TV stand. Well, it will progress right along like that. Here's a hall tree that came in. I think this comes with a couple of baskets down there. We have to look for the baskets. This one's solid oak. You can also do it in cherry. We can make it in a special size. Put some knickknacks on the top. Well, we are here at 6206 North Sepulveda Boulevard in the city of Van Nuys. Our phone number is 888-302-2276. And you can visit us on the web at www.barnfurnituremart.com. And we are having a floor sample sale right now. So if you come in, everything that's coming off that truck, 2/3 of it is available for pickup. And immediately you can have it. Right now, we can ship it out to you anywhere in the world. Thank you.